power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2022 Ram 1500 TRX Crew Cab in flame red. With adaptive cruise control, RAMBAR by MOPAR, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 9,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, heated and ventilated rear seating, panoramic sunroof, remote start, spray-in bed liner by MOPAR, 6.2-liter supercharged V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number GM6200B.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.